This is elevator number 4 at the Lido Beach Resort in Sarasota, Florida. That is a weird looking lantern. Let's go up to 8R. It's a dynamic elevator.
Sixth floor. Seventh floor. Eighth floor.
It's a loud voice.
Going down.
This opens up right into a kitchen. And that is a weird chime.
Seventh floor. Sixth floor.
Yeah, we are going to go for another ride.
Lobby.
But we're not going to go up to 8 because that opens up right into a kitchen. There we are, 1. Let's go to 7.
Going up.
Yeah, that's a loud voice. Let's watch the indicator again.
Sixth floor. Seventh floor.
And we're gonna go back to lobby.
Going down. Sixth floor.
Honestly, if I let it, that might even set a new elevator chime world record.
Lobby.
In fact, why don't I? How about, since we've been to, if no one's getting on here, let's see. Nope. How about we go to 7?
Going up.
Normally I wouldn't want to take this many rides on this elevator, but I'm actually really curious about this now that you hear what that chime sounds like.
Sixth floor.
Also, it's the original, it's a temporary operating permit. Maybe not the original, but maybe from when
Seventh floor.
maybe from when it was mud.
Going down.
Wow. I don't know, I was trying to keep count. I think
Sixth floor.
I lost track somewhere along the way. I want to say that was like in the 60s, but whatever the actual count
Lobby.
is, I'm putting it in the description. Or heck, maybe even the title. Alright, there it goes, and that'll be it.